question is, who might be our smart texter's choice? Who will have the singular chance to be in the top 11 if she is not yet amongst our semifinalists?
We shall see. Let us announce our top 10 semi-finalists. Beginning with, you are a part of this year's top 10 candidate number 4, Bacolor, Miss Hannah May Santos.
You're part of the top 10, candidate number 21, Santo Tomas, Joanna David.
Take your spot, candidate number 1, Angeles City, Mary Ann Falker.
Our fourth spot goes to candidate number 14, Pora Maria Alisa Sarmiento.
Welcome to the top 10, candidate number 6, Florida Blanca, Zarina Joy Giao.
You are part of the top 10, candidate number 16, San Luis Roseanne Pangilinan.
Congratulations for being a part of the top 10. Candidate number 9, Mabalacat City, Kyle Celine Dorado.
Now our 8th spot goes to candidate number 15, San Fernando, Rica Gabriel David.
Last 2 spots, and 1 belongs to you. Candidate number 11, Masantor, Jacqueline Burnett Ginto.
Alright guys, sino ang ating 10th finalist? Isigaw nyo! Our 10th finalist is candidate number 19, Santa Ana Denise Joy Frias.
What we mentioned earlier, whoever will be our Smart Texter's Choice awardee winner, if she is not yet a part of the top 10, will automatically become contestant or top number 11.
So the question is, who is our Smart Texter's Choice?
To award the Smart Texter's Choice winner are Avin De Maculangan, Customer Development Manager of Smart Communications Incorporated, accompanied by Mr. Richard Gosse and Mr. Ricardo Villariba. To win a sash, a bouquet, and a brand new Samsung AS50.
Okay, here we go. Garnering 30,524 text votes. Our Smart Texter's choice is candidate number 3, Mutya ng Arayan, Ariel Miranda. There you go. Congratulations to our 10 semifinalists and to our Smart Texter's Choice. Congratulations, ladies. Also, we would like to congratulate our other candidates for the hard work that they brought in. Everybody is a winner. Trust me. It's such a hard thing to be here on stage. Everybody is a winner. Let's congratulate all of them.
For sure, cherish your memorable moments and the unforgettable lessons you have learned in the pageant. May God bless all of you and good luck to your future undertakings. Again, let's all give them a big hand.
And to our lucky and very deserving semifinalists, congratulations to all of you. But this is not yet over because at this point, the competition has just become tougher.
Because in the next segment, we will find out who among you can best articulate her thoughts and feelings.
So now, guys, we move on to the question and answer. Are you guys ready for it? This side lang yung ready. Guys, are you ready sa Q&A? Woo! Nasa na energy? Come on, guys. Okay, here we go. Do we have the bowl? I don't see the bowl. Oh, here we go.
There you go.
What's up, bro? What's your name?
I'm Paulo.
Pwede kita yung Q&A? Hindi, joke lang. dito ka, sa gitna. Yeah. Okay. From the question and answer bowl, each of the semifinalists shall pick a name of the judge who will ask her question.
We would like to remind our judges that our candidates can only answer in English or Filipino. The language that the candidate prefers to use will not in any way affect her score simply because intelligence is never measured on the language used.
Baka pwede Kapampangan, translate mo. Hindi, joke lang.
May translator pala bigla.
Okay, the content of the answer will be given the highest merit. However, the candidate's clear articulation, confidence, and graceful composure under extreme pressure will be given additional points.
Now, we would also like to remind everyone that at this point, all semifinalists have an equal footing. In other words, the scores are all back to 0.
From this round, our criteria shall be 60% for beauty of the face, body proportion, poise, and bearing.
While intelligence is given a 40% for a total of 100%.
And now, we start with semifinalists. We have candidate number 4. First candidate number 4. Okay.
Candidate
Please stay
number
in the middle.
4, Ms. Bacolor, Hannah May Santos.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Kinakabahan ka?
Medyo po.
Huwag ka kabahan. Kaya mo yan. Madali yung question.
It's now time to pick who the judge will
Please
ask for
pick.
your question. Please pick.
I'm already here at the judges area, Mark and Ange. I'm having a moment with them now.
Okay. Please go ahead. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. Okay, one of the judges isn't ready yet. She went to the restroom, so short interview muna kay candidate number 4. Na para warm up.
Chikahin muna natin siya because
Yeah.
she said she's feeling a bit nervous. So let's warm things up, diba, with a question. Would you like to say anything to your supporters from Bacolor?
Thank you everyone who supported me. I appreciate you wholeheartedly. And thank you for the support and prayer that really helped me to stand against many people right now. Thank you.
Nasaan yung mga taga Bacolor?
Ayun.
We have a hefty crowd over there supporting you.
So, I got a simple question lang. Saan ka pinaka na-challenge sa buong pageant? so far?
Casual lang to ha. Di ba to yung question mo?
I've been challenged on how I can stood up upon the girls because I believe each and every one of us has deserved the crown. And I am always praying to God that whenever I would reach whatever what I would achieve, I would always give my best. Yun po.
Wow! And to think that was just casual ah.
Oo nga eh. Actually, gusto mo para i-spread natin yung hindi siya masyado ma-pressure. Isa-isayin natin sila.
But
Diba?
I think we are more than ready.
Ay, actually, ready na daw.
Actually, ready na tayo. Halika na, Miss Bacolor.
Sorry.
Feeling namin ready ka na because you just answered our question perfectly. So go ahead and pick who the judge will ask you the question. Who judge?
Your
Who's
judge
gonna
is
be asking you the
Mr.
question?
Martin Del Rosario.
Hi.
Hello po.
Here's your question. What is your relevance as a woman in nation building? Again, what is your relevance as a woman in nation building?
In nation? My relevance as a person or as a girl in a nation building is that we is represented by our own nature. We became as one because of the talents that God has given us. Each and every one of us has this edge to do something great more than anybody else. And being a human is something that we should be thankful because being a woman is a God-fearing given by, and it is very productive to become a better one. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good answer.
Thank you
Candidate
so
number 4,
much,
right?
Mutya Ning Bacolor.
Okay, up next we have...
Up next, we have candidate number 21, Mutya Ning Santo Tomas.
Okay, how are you doing?
I'm feeling great.
Feeling confident too?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, here we go. Please pick your judge. You chose Miss Maxine Medina.
Miss Universe Philippines 2016.
First of all, hi Pampanga! Good evening! Ang saya-saya naman ng crowd. Hi girls. Here's your question. What important lesson and inspiration can people learn from your life? Again, what important lesson and inspiration can people learn from your life?
The important lessons that the people can learn in my life, it's having faith in God, is believing that God has a perfect plan for you no matter what circumstances you may experience. As long as you trust Him and you remain steadfast and stand firm, then you can be whatever you want. Thank you.
There you go. Very confident answer. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mutya Ning Santo Tomas.
Okay, next candidate. We have candidate number 1.
We have Mutya Ning Angeles City, Marianne Felker. Hi. How are you feeling?
A bit nervous, but I'm feeling great because everybody's here.
Can you ask me also how I'm feeling?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling short. No, I'm joking.
Go ahead and pick from our bowl.
You chose Miss Rachel Peters.
Miss Universe Philippines 2017.
Hi, good evening. You look lovely.
Thank you.
And of course, good evening to everyone here. Thank you so much for having all of us. Okay, so to your question, good luck. Can you tell us what is your best or favorite moment in your Mutya Ning Kapampangan journey? Again, can you tell us what is your favorite or your best moment in your Mutya Ning Kapampangan journey?
Maya Pombengi, good evening, judges.
There are a lot of moments that have become my favorite in this journey of mine as in the Mutya Ning Kapampangan 2019. But I think my most favorite one was the boodle fight yesterday. So I'll share a bit. So we had this little boodle fight yesterday wherein each and every candidate brought their own food, which is not just any other food, but the food that they are proud of in their own municipalities and cities. And it just makes me happy to see all these candidates merge together to be one. And it's like bringing Pampanga in a one single home. That would be all. Thank you and good evening.
Very good. A very strong answer. Thank you very much, candidate number 1.
We love that.
Right?
A
That
boodle
was good.
fight.
I love boodle fight. I love boodle fight. So
Again, that was Mutya Ning Angeles. Let's now call in candidate number 14, Mutya Ning Pora.
how are you doing, candidate number 14?
I'm fine, thank you.
Confident, kinakabahan, ano?
Nervous, of course, but I'm fine.
Good, good, good. Okay, please choose your judge. You chose Miss Joanna Datul.
Miss Supranational 2013.
Hi!
Hello.
Bago ang lahat pala, magandang gabi sa taga Pampanga! Grabe yung level ng energy dito, nakakahawa. Well, congratulations for being part of the top 10. Ang ganda-ganda mo.
Thank you po.
Okay, ito yung katanungan ko. Hi! I love you too! Okay, ito na yung katanungan ko sa kanya. What do you think are your similarities with the athletes of the SEA Games? Ulitin ko. What do you think are your similarities with the athletes of the SEA Games?
Thank you. Well, I believe that my similarities with them is that I believe both of us have this destiny and passion. That we all build our confidence not only about ourselves, but with the help of all the persons along the way. Thank you.
There you go. Thank you very much, candidate number 14.
Thank you so much,
That was good.
Mutya Ning Pora.
That was good.
Passion. That's what's up next. We have Mutya Ning Florida Blanca. Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening. Good evening, Kapalans!
I think you're very much ready to take on our question and answer.
I'm sure of
so
it.
go ahead and pick a judge.
Okay, you chose Miss Rachel Peters.
Okay, I'm gonna jump straight in. This is a long one. Despite the efforts of the government to eradicate illegal drugs in our country, many Filipinos still push and use drugs. What do you think is the best solution for this societal problem? Would you like me to repeat the question? Despite the efforts of the government to eradicate illegal drugs in our country, many Filipinos still push and use drugs. What do you think is the best solution for this societal problem?
Well, the government is really doing their best for us to eradicate the drug war. But then Filipinos are being hard-headed and still uses it. And in my own opinion, I can say to them that they must learn on how to listen and they must start with themselves to be a better example. And if they become a better example, then if you start with yourself, we will have a better society and everything will follow, then we might be happy.
There you go. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Our next candidate
Who's
is...
next? Okay, we have candidate number 16. Crowd favorite, huh? Okay, how are you feeling right now?
I'm great and thankful to my supporters.
You won Best in Swimsuit, right?
Yes.
How does it feel that you won this award?
Well, all of the women are deserve also that special award, but I'm thankful for one of your choices as Best in Swimsuit. Thank you.
Good, all right. Congratulations on that. Please pick your judge. You chose Miss Joanna Datul.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Okay, ito yung katanungan ko. Why is there a need to commemorate the 448th founding anniversary of the beloved province of Pampanga? Okay, I repeat. Why is there a need to commemorate the 448th founding anniversary of the beloved province of Pampanga?
Well, thank you for that question. The Probinsyang Kapampangan is the culinary capital of the Philippines. We are celebrating this anniversary to provide us one and give our best to showcase our culture and tradition. We're not just only a culinary capital for cooking, showing to the world we're just only manyaman. Figuratively, we're just more than that for Kapampangan. We are resilient, talented, loud, but kind. And most importantly, we are faithful. And we are Kapampangan, exceptional Kapampangan. Dakal po salamat.
There you go. Good job, guys. Let's hear it one more time for candidate number 16. Daming supporters,
Oo nga eh. Tingnan natin kung marami ring supporters ng ating next candidate. Candidate number 9, Mutya Ning Babalacat City.
How are you doing, candidate number 9?
To be honest, I'm quite nervous, but I guess it's normal at this point since the competition is getting tougher and tougher.
So go ahead and pick the judge. And you have chosen Miss Bea Rose Santiago.
Miss International 2013.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good evening. I'm fine. Thank you.
Thank you. First of all, I want to say, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga taga-Pampanga! Ayan, buhay na buhay. And I also want to add na please support Emma Tiglao. I know Kapampangan siya and mahal niyo siya. Please support her. And I know, mananalo si Emma. So hopefully, show your love to her on Instagram, okay? Hello, hi. And this is my question. What has become your biggest challenge in this competition? Again, what has become your biggest challenge in this competition?
I'll tell a story. So 2 years back, I've been just watching as an audience in Mutya Ning Kapampangan, and right now I'm standing here on stage. And I just can't imagine the challenge that I have faced, which is I have gone through a lot of strives and tribulations and a lot of struggles along the way, which is I had to practice a lot. I had to really be patient enough to wait for my time. And I think that I really want to inspire others too to pursue their dreams, no matter how hard it is, no matter how much it would take you, no matter how many years it would take for you to be here. As long as you really believe in yourself and you really believe in God and you have faith in God, I think that you would go really far. Thank you.
Very well
good.
said.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you
Jinx,
very
thank
much.
you so much, Mutya Ning Babalacat. Next up, we have
candidate number 15 from San Fernando. Hello, how are you?
I'm just like all the girls. I'm feeling nervous, but I don't want to waste my time here because this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience and I don't want to waste it, feeling nervous. So I just want to enjoy every moment, and I know that everybody's enjoying as well. Thank you.
Definitely. So go ahead, please pick your judge. Okay, your judge is Bea Rose Santiago.
So let's go back to Queen Bea.
Thank you, King. Okay, so this is my question. If you were an athlete in the SEA Games, what is your sport and why? Again, if you were an athlete in the SEA Games, what is your sport and why?
If I were an athlete in SEA Games, I think I would choose to learn volleyball because volleyball teaches us a lot of skills such as passing, setting, serving, and blocking. Like the sport volleyball, I would want to pass on what I have learned to other people. I would set and serve as an example to the youth, and I will block all the people who tries to stop me in achieving my dreams. Thank you.
Pretty sharp, pretty sharp. I wouldn't have thought of that.
Great job.
Right? I wouldn't have thought
I
of
love
that.
that. I love that.
I was trying to think the top of my head, what's the best sport? What's the best sport? It's so hard. I don't know. I don't know how to defend it.
Any more timely with the SEA Games. Thank you so much. We have our next candidate number 11, Mutya Ning Kapampangan. Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm great. I'm feeling nervous.
You shouldn't be. Everybody's here. Everybody's sharing their energy to you. So absorb it and boom, answer. Okay? Here's your bowl. Please choose your judge. The judge you chose is Maxine Medina.
Another queen. Queen Maxine?
Hi, you're so pretty.
Thank you. You
Don't
too.
be nervous. Here's your question. If you win the title, what can you truly and realistically accomplish for your community? Again, if you win the title, what can you truly and realistically accomplish for your community?
If I would become as Mutya Ning Kapampangan 2019, I would like to use my new influence to promote my advocacy, which is to be an instrument to influence and advocate my fellow Kapampangan to love and cherish the culture that we have. That will be all. Thank you.
There you go. Straight for it. See?
Thank you so much, Mutya Ning Masantol.
Thank you very much.
And while we're in the last, or for the last two candidates, I would like to remind everyone that please do maintain silence while our candidates are answering so as to not disrupt the ideas and their answers.
That's actually true. It's kind of scary to be up here. Guys, kung nandito kayo, scary. Promise.
Yes, super true. So, let's continue on with our next candidate,
We have candidate number 19.
Mutya Ning Santa Ana. Hi, would you like to say hi to our Kabalans watching?
Hello, Kabalen. Good evening.
Okay, please pick your judge. You have chosen Martin Del Rosario. Oh, there's no one mic? I can go there. I can help you guys. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Yung pala. Bago po lahat, gusto ko kayong batiin, Pampanga! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Grabe, isa to sa mga pinakamalalaking pageant na na-attendan ko. And pinakamasaya dahil talaga lahat cooperative and may ingay. And grabe ang support sa contestants. So I'm sure proud na proud kayo sa mga contestants ngayon. Contestant number 19. Ito yung tanong mo. Are beauty pageants still relevant today? Why or why not? Again, are beauty pageants still relevant today? Why or why not?
Beauty pageants such as Mutya Ning Kapampangan gives us women a platform to voice out our opinions and choices. It gives us an opportunity to address out the topic and issues that we want to give attention and to focus on. So I think that Mutya Ning Kapampangan serves as the way for us women to move forward and encourage other women to do the same. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, candidate number 19.
Thank you so much. And we are down to our last candidate, Mutya Ning Araya.
Our top 11 Smart Texter's Choice
Yes, our
winner.
Smart Texter's Choice winner. You garnered 30,524 text votes. Maybe you would want to say thank you to everyone who supported you.
Yeah, Thank you so much to my Arayateños! Dakal pong salamat kay Sahop na binyayo ka na ako. Without them, I wouldn't be able to stand here. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I don't see our bowl.
By the way, Mark and Ange, Miss Maxine Medina is going to throw the question to our Smart Texter's Choice winner.
Good. Okay, go for it, Maxine.
Okay, here's your question. What makes you proud as a Kapampangan? Again, what makes you proud as a Kapampangan?
Being a Kapampangan is not just about being beautiful or having the festivals and being one of the best foods. But it is more than that. It is the resiliency of the Kapampangan, especially in Arayat. We experienced landslides and a lot of adversities, but we were able to stand tall and be brave for whatever bad that happened to us. That will be all. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you
Good
so
job.
much, Mutya Ning Kapampangan. Wow.
Good job.
Mark.
So, yeah, guys, a big round of applause. Napakagaling ng ating mga candidates. Guys, big, come on, big round of applause. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go.
As early as now, congratulations to all of our ladies. We will see them in a little while.
That's right, and as we are waiting for the results, ladies and gentlemen, let's all watch this.